To solve another Leetcode problem 2750, ways to split array into good subarrays. So for this problem, we are getting a binary array nums, and we just want to split the array into several parts. But for each part, it's gonna contain exactly one element with the value 1. So let's just use this first example. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So we can do such kind of split, because at the left part we're going to contain a 1, at the right part we contain a 1. So this is one of the splitting. But we can also split it here. This is also valid. But we can also split it here. This is also valid. This means that this is going to be a combination problem. We just need to check how many positions we can split. Yeah. So for example, here we're going to have some zeros, and here we have a 1. Yeah. So before this one, before the second one, how many splittings? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. What about after this one? How many splittings? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's gonna be so what's gonna be the final result? Because each of them are gonna be independent, and we're gonna use the 3 times 4. That's gonna be the total combinations according to mathematics. Yeah. Because just for example, if we split it from here, this is one position. How many different ways? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And if we split here, we're gonna plus another 4. If we split here, we're gonna plus another 4. So this is the idea. This means no matter how many, so maybe after this one there are gonna be many split. So definitely it's gonna be something like C1 times C2 times C3 times etc. times Cn. So this is going to be the formula. We just need to use this kind of formula to solve the problem. Yeah. So let's check. So if not sum of nums, if the sum of nums is not equal to 0, yeah. So this means if not sum of nums. So this means if the sum of the nums equal to 0. Basically, this means basically means it is not possible because there's no 1, so we're gonna return a 0. Otherwise, this means we have a 0, so we're gonna prepare an array. So instead of using, I think, like list groups or other algorithm, we can directly just put the index inside the array and solve it directly. So for example, this one, we just need to put the index inside of the array. If this number is 1, we're going to put the index 1. If this number is 1, we're going to put the index 4. Finally, we just need to use 4 minus 1. It is 1 times 1. 3 is going to be the final result. Yeah, so this is how to solve the problem easily. So we're going to just use this way. So inside of the array, we just put the index I. So for I, enumerate the nums if n equal to 1. Now we're going to prepare a final result, and we just pairwise the array. So pairwise is the array. So the result is going to equal to result times b minus a, and modular the mod, because we need a modular. So let's just put the modular here. It's going to be 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. So finally, we just need to return this result. Let me just run it to check. As you can see, it works. And let me just submit it. As you can see, it works, and it's pretty fast. And the time complexity is just O(n). N is the length of the array, so it is 10 to the power 5. That is why it's so fast. I think that's all about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.